Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sheila Abad,
How old are you?
57 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
yes,
How many kids do you have?
2,
How old are they?
15 and 16 years old,
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years and 7 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No,
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
4 years and 1 month.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Olympic,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square feet,
How many family member there?
3 person,
Okay, so how many children?
1,
How old?
7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 7 a.m. and then I'm preparing breakfast of the child.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm cleaning the house and then I'm washing the clothes. And then I go to market to buy food for the dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And then I start cooking around 7 o'clock, and then they will eat around 8 o'clock. And then after that I'm cleaning the kitchen,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm cleaning the shower room, and then I'm go to sleep around 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.